Hey, Maureen here, and I just wanted to say that I recently took a look at the Overnight Millionaire program. Now, there's so many programs out there right now, but there's nothing that I have seen that compares to this. The program in itself walks you through so many different facets, and it's an eye-opening experience as well as a life-changing process. It builds you from the inside out, and it also helps you to grow and develop, and also to help you to build your wealth and to build friendships. And the group support is amazing. Wesley and Ariella, continue doing what you're doing. You're doing an amazing job, and may you continue to be blessed.
If you follow this program, you could probably be like rich. Today, I'm telling you guys about Overnight Millionaire. This program is the reason why my life is going to change so dramatically. Overnight Millionaire Mastery, this program is like life-changing. Like, if you do this program and if you follow this program, even if you kind of just listen to you know, the mental aspects of it, but if you follow this program, you could probably be like rich, like for real. So the reason that I'm not rich, because I bought this program like a month ago, right? I bought it in the beginning of June, the end of May. I was like,
what the heck? Like, let me just try it.
I got the program and I spent a few hours, because it takes a few hours to get through. I spent a few hours listening to it, and I was like, okay, I think I know what I need to do. But the problem was, I did it. Like, I followed his instructions, but I didn't do it right, okay? So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit like where I went wrong, and like, you know, I don't want to dwell on the mishaps, because what I did could still help me in the future. So I'm not at a total loss, but I am going to re-watch the entire series again, redo it the right way, and I guarantee you guys, after 60 days of me committing to this, that I will be hitting that 5-figure month mark. So, okay guys, so I totally recommend this program. Dude, just go buy the product. If you're into e-commerce and you're into digital products, go get this product, I'm telling you.